This is in Fremont, California, and it had a tremendous amount of rain, 5 hours of heavy rain on Sunday. You can see the moss on top of this. Well, this is the story. It rained 5 inches last night in the Bay Area, San Francisco Bay Area. That's a heck of a lot of water. And of course, it's all blacktop, so we're in the middle of the city of Fremont. The bay, San Francisco Bay, starts about 1 mile away or half a mile away. Anyway, this is a channel that drains Fremont, California, and they didn't clean the rock out the first time. You can see what it takes to do it right. Here's all the rock that they took out of here along the sides, and especially the bottom. They did not do that for the first dam, even though they were going to. They didn't do it, and didn't do it very well anyway. Now we're going to put another dam in here. 2 drainages converge here. There was much more water than what this pipe could handle. It built up on this. Instead of going over the top of it, it made a boil underneath of it. And of course, that's where most of the water drained in this pool, because the water was higher than this. You can see the green things here. Yeah, that's great. Now unfold it. Now you guys got to step off that now. You can't go with it. That would be too dangerous. Step to the side. Now push her off. Okay, put that up and over it. Okay, that's the end. We've got to pull this down 10 feet. Wait, we're going to tie some more rope here. It's folded in thirds. Okay, that's good. Now we got to come and unfold it this way. So you got to walk right down the pipe and squeeze the material together underneath the pipe right there. Yeah. We've only got a 2-inch pump and a 1.5-inch pump, electric. It's not very strong. The 2-inch pump out pumps it 2 to 1. We've taken the 2-inch hose, put it with the 1.5-inch hose to catch up with the left-hand side of this AquaDam. And it's almost caught up. Water's almost going over the pipe. And as soon as it goes over the pipe, that'll be the main battle. So we don't want the pipe to move. And looks great. This dam is holding down the pipe. You can see how it's buried in that. And this sandbag concrete block dam is holding this end of the pipe down. And that's the start of the pipe. But the water in this tube and this tube are the same height. The water is about to go over the pipe. And that will be an achievement right there, holding that pipe in place.